has some broken, the tennis court shapes for a small one. Students are running at the classroom, Stephen keeps standing in the staff room. Little kids are running out the back gate, and a single file line is giving them backache. The time is ticking, getting into lunchtime. Year 11 and kids think this is completely fine.
Yo, the only reason we line up is to enjoy all the banter. Sometimes I'm going to hit the alarm of his antler. It's antler, yeah.